Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to install Inventa from an ISO image and briefly explain the key installation steps. If you are interested in data discovery and classification and came across this video, you can reach our team via email to request an ISO. The email address to contact us is on the screen and in the video description. But first, in case you've never heard about Inventa before, let me quickly explain what our product does. Inventa was designed to find all sorts of sensitive data in corporate networks. There are key tasks that it performs the best. They are on the slide. To learn more, you can watch additional videos. Links are in the video description. Depending on the configuration of your computer and internet speed, the whole process will take roughly 30 to 45 minutes. We highly recommend making sure that your virtual machine or a PC has at least 96 GB of RAM, a 32-core CPU, and a 500 GB HDD. The entire disk will be used and any existing data on it will be overwritten. Basically, the installation process consists of two steps. First, Ubuntu will be installed with one node Kubernetes cluster on top of it and all necessary management tools. Second, discovery and classification engine installation. Docker images and Helm charts will be downloaded from our repository and installed. One more important thing. You will need a login and password to access our repository. If you don't have them, don't hesitate to contact us. The email address is on the screen and will help you. Assuming that you have already downloaded an ISO image with the discovery and classification engine, the very first step is to mount it to your virtual machine or a physical computer. The ISO image is bootable, so you will need to restart your system and boot it from the ISO. You may just press enter or wait 30 seconds and the process will start automatically. The auto install will partition the disk and install the operating system. Finally, the network interfaces will be configured by DHCP if it is available. You might see this prompt during the installation. This prompt indicates auto installation is still in progress and the system isn't ready yet. The first step is over as soon as you see this line as a prompt. Now, please enter your login and password. We highly recommend changing the default password. Security, You'll need the IP address of your machine in a few moments. If you don't remember it or it was assigned by DHCP, there are two places where you can quickly check the current address. If a prompt suddenly disappears, no worries, just press enter and the command line will be back as good as new. Okay, let's check the status of a Kubernetes cluster. It must be up and running by now. Yes, everything is fine. It is time for the final step, Inventa installation. To do that, please enter the following command as on the screen. The system will ask you to provide the registry username and password. They should have been given to you along with an ISO image. Here you can specify either an IP address or the name of your machine. Either way works. I will use an IP address. During this step, Docker images and Helm charts are downloaded and installed. Looks promising, but this is a false alarm. We have to wait a bit more. As soon as you see a prompt, the installation is complete. Last check. Let's make sure that all ports are running. Ideally, the status of every row must be running. The ready column must contain 1/1 as a value. Finally, we can get our hands on a discovery and classification engine. Open a web browser and type in the IP address of your machine. If your Chrome is as picky as mine, you have to confirm that the connection is safe. Enter login and password. They are on the screen. Again, we highly recommend changing the default password immediately. Well, that's it. I hope that this video will help you. If you have any additional questions, just ask them in the comments and we'll do our best to answer them. Thank you.